This image was generated by Gemini, and that little sparkle watermark in the corner? Gone. Completely. No AI inpainting, no blurring, no quality loss. Just math. Let me show you how I built an agent skill that does this automatically. Here's what we'll cover. First, what this agent skill actually does, and why it's different from other approaches. Then, the math that makes it work, reverse alpha blending. After that, how to set it up in your own workspace. Then I'll show you a live demo, removing a watermark in real time. And finally, where to grab the code. It's fully open source. This is the Gemini Watermark Remover Agent skill. It uses reverse alpha blending, a mathematically exact formula, to strip the visible G-sparkle watermark from Gemini-generated images. It covers all standard output sizes, 0.5K, 1K, and 2K. No neural networks. No guessing. The original pixels are recovered losslessly. Here's the core insight. Gemini applies a white watermark using standard alpha compositing, alpha times 255, plus 1 minus alpha, times the original pixel. Since we know the watermark color is pure white, and we have the exact alpha map, we can algebraically invert this formula to recover every single original pixel. The script runs up to 4 passes, checking spatial correlation after each one, and stops when the watermark signal is gone. Setting it up is dead simple. Drop the skill folder into your agent's skills directory. It needs Python 3, NumPy, and Pillow. That's it. One critical thing: the pre-calculated alpha maps are what make this work. Without those exact NumPy files, the math doesn't have the alpha values it needs. And this only removes the visible sparkle watermark, not the invisible synth ID metadata. Now let me show you the whole thing end to end. I open a fresh Antigravity workspace, drop in the skill, point it at a watermarked Gemini image, and with one command, the agent reads the skill file, runs the script, and hands back the clean image. Watch this. The full source code is on GitHub under Apache 2.0. Grab it, link in the description. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. I'm building more skills like this every week.